Hi, this video clip shows you how to run Maltego application to do data pivoting, which allows you to collect open source intelligence. Launch your virtual machine first. User ID, root, password, TOOR. From applications, information gathering, Maltego, then you can launch your application. On the left top, you will see the file icon. Click it. Okay, you have a new graph canvas. On the left side, you will be able to see the entity palette. So you can choose different type of entity. For the example here, we would like to try IP address and hash value. We try IP address first. You can add IP address here. Remove the default. Type in your IP address you would like to get more information about it. Then you can run some transform. The first one we'd like to try, thread crowd transform, which is the tool we installed earlier. Keep that in mind. When you do this data collection, you might get different results. Depends on the information update on the database. Let's try the second one using different IP address. I copy and paste it here and run the transform, thread crowd transform again. Not too much information on the database, looks like. Let's give one more try. You can try a totally different IP address. Depends on the threat you are investigating. So this one is the example from the lecture note. Probably you notice the outcome is different from the lecture note. You do one more transform, run the virus total API. Then you see a lot of information is associated with this entity. You can zoom in, zoom out. If you like to do more on a specific entity which is associated with the IP address, you can drag this one into an empty location and do the transform again. Then try virus total. Then you'll be able to see a lot of information which is associated with that entity. For this case, you can see that's a hash value. So it's a hash entity. Okay, the second example is based on the lecture note. You can see the hash entity. It's added into the canvas. I just paste the hash value and run transform game. Okay, you can see so much information is identified. There's a lot of information that's associated with the hash value. Of course, you can dig into each identified entity. You have to spend a lot of time to play with this tool. Idea here is you can use one data, one type of entity, and to do data pivoting. Then you can identify, uncover a lot of information which is associated with this entity. Once you're done, if you like to save for your future use, so simply save this graph. It's a file. So you'll be able to see that file is saved. Okay, so I just killed the application. So assume you would like to continue your investigation using one project you did earlier. Then you simply just open that file, you save. So open the file, identify that file is saved, open. Then you'll be able to get that project you did earlier back into your application, your studio. Then you can continue to do more exploration. It is time consuming, but this tool helps you to get a lot of information you need for your project. Have fun.